Welcome to All Motors, the channel where we bring you the latest reviews, updates, and insights into the world of automobiles, from luxury cars to performance machines and everything in between. Today we take a closer look at the new 2026 Toyota Century, a vehicle that continues to uphold the legacy of luxury, refinement, and timeless craftsmanship that Toyota has been perfecting for decades. Known as the flagship sedan in Toyota's lineup, the Century is not just another car but a statement of sophistication and traditional Japanese elegance blended with modern engineering. The 2026 Toyota Century arrives with subtle yet impactful exterior enhancements that keep its signature stately design intact while adding a touch of modern appeal. Its boxy silhouette remains a symbol of prestige, with a large grille and carefully sculpted chrome accents that highlight its luxury presence. The LED headlights and taillights have been redesigned for a sharper and more contemporary look while still keeping the overall aesthetic rooted in heritage. Sitting on beautifully designed alloy wheels, the Century exudes an understated luxury that never tries too hard but always commands respect on the road. Step inside and the 2026 Century reveals its true masterpiece. The cabin is meticulously handcrafted with the finest materials including plush wool upholstery, genuine wood trim, and advanced noise insulation that creates a serene environment. Unlike most modern luxury sedans that emphasize flashy technology, the Century focuses on comfort, refinement, and a traditional approach to passenger experience. The rear seats are where the magic truly happens, offering first-class levels of comfort with full recline functionality, massage options, and generous legroom designed for those who prefer to be chauffeured. Under the hood, the new Toyota Century is expected to feature a refined hybrid powertrain that balances smooth performance with impressive efficiency. Toyota continues to emphasize eco-friendly luxury, and this powertrain provides effortless acceleration while maintaining whisper-quiet operation, ensuring the driving or riding experience remains as calm and composed as possible. The handling is tuned for comfort rather than sportiness, staying true to the vehicle's purpose as a chauffeur-driven luxury sedan. In terms of technology, the 2026 Century integrates modern features like an advanced infotainment system, premium sound setup, and enhanced driver assistance technologies, all carefully designed to remain subtle and functional without disturbing the car's serene environment. Toyota has struck a perfect balance between modern expectations and the Century's unique heritage of understated excellence. The 2026 Toyota Century remains a car that represents prestige, exclusivity, and craftsmanship in its purest form. It may not shout luxury, but it delivers it in ways that few vehicles can match. For those seeking timeless elegance and an uncompromising ride experience, the Century continues to stand at the very top of Toyota's offerings. Stay tuned to All Motors for more reviews, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for the latest updates on cars from around the world.